Exercises. Question 1. Which of the following is a plant hormone? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Estrogen. D. Cytokinin. Answer D. Cytokinin. Explanation. Cytokinin is a plant hormone that promotes cell division and growth in plant roots and shoots. The other options are animal hormones. Question 2. The gap between two neurons is called A. Dendrite. B. Synapse. C. Axon. D. Impulse. Answer B. Synapse. Explanation. A synapse is the tiny gap between two neurons where the nerve impulse is transmitted chemically. Question 3. The brain is responsible for A. Thinking. B. Regulating the heartbeat. C. Balancing the body. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation. The brain performs multiple functions including thinking, cerebrum, regulating heartbeat, medulla, and balancing the body, cerebellum. Question 4. What is the function of receptors in our body? Think of situations where receptors do not work properly. What problems are likely to arise? Answer. Receptors are specialized cells that detect changes or stimuli like heat, pain, pressure. They send signals to the brain or spinal cord for an appropriate response. If receptors don't work, the body may not sense pain, heat, or touch. Reflexes can fail, increasing injury risk. Coordination between body and environment is disturbed. Question 5. Draw the structure of a neuron and explain its function. Answer. Diagram is shown below, and the function of neuron. A neuron transmits nerve impulse. It has dendrites, which receive signals. Cell body processes signals. Axon carries signal to the next neuron. Synapse passes signal to another neuron or muscle. Question 6. Why does phototropism occur in plants? Answer. Phototropism is the growth of a plant in response to light. It is controlled by auxin, a plant hormone. Auxin moves to the shaded side of the plant, causing those cells to elongate. This makes the plant bend toward the light. Question 7. Which signals will get decrypted in case of a spinal cord injury? Answer. The electrical signals between the brain and body get decrypted. It may lead to loss of sensations and paralysis below the injury site. Voluntary and reflex action may not occur properly. Question 8. How does chemical coordination occur in plants? Answer. Plants uses hormones for chemical coordination. Hormones like auxin, cytokinin, gibberellins, abscisic acid help regulate growth, development, and responses to stimuli. Question 9. What is the need for a system of control and coordination in an organism? Answer. Organisms need control and coordination to respond to stimuli from the environment, maintain balance between different organs, perform actions in an organized manner. Question 10. How are involuntary actions and reflex actions different from each other? Answer. Involuntary actions controlled by the brain. Example, heartbeat, breathing. Reflex actions, quick, automatic responses controlled by the spinal cord. Example, pulling hand away from hot object. Question 11. Compare and contrast nervous and hormonal mechanisms for control and coordination in animals. Answer. Nervous system uses electrical impulses. Hormonal system uses chemicals, hormones. Nervous system, fast response. Hormonal system, slower response. Nervous system acts for a short time. Hormonal system acts for a longer time. Nervous system, specific target like muscles. And hormonal system affects various organs. Question 12. What is the difference between the manner in which movement takes place in a sensitive plant and the movement in our legs? Answer. In sensitive plant, example mimosa, movement is due to turgor changes, water pressure in cells, not controlled by nerves or muscles. In humans, legs, movement is controlled by the nervous system and muscles, requiring coordination between brain and muscle cells. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.